Hello dear traders, let us review what drove the markets in the past week. The US dollar index and US stock indices both slipped last week. The week started on a positive note. Investors revised up the consensus forecast for third quarter S&P 500 earnings on Monday to 1.1%. Due to this, stock market indices continued advancing. Chicago Fed President Charles Evans said the Fed may raise the rate 3 times before the end of 2017. His words supported the US currency. Economic data were positive as well. The manufacturing PMI rose above expectations. On Tuesday, the US dollar index and US stock indices hit fresh local highs but edged lower on weak data. Consumer confidence index came out much lower in October than previously expected. Positive economic data were released on Wednesday. Negative trade balance for October declined and new home sales rose in September in US. Nevertheless, stock indices fell and continued the decline till the end of the week. This happened despite yet another revision up of the S&P 500 earnings to 2.2%. A 0.5% decline was expected on October 1st. The US dollar index also corrected down from its 8-month high. Market participants did not hurry with bargain hunting assets ahead of presidential elections in US on November 8, 2016. Lower durable goods orders for September weighed on stock market indices on Thursday. The US dollar index slightly advanced after the Swedish Riksbank announced further monetary easing and weaker Swedish krona. Strong GDP data came out on Friday for third quarter 2016. It rose 2.9%. Nevertheless, the US dollar index dropped as well as US stock market indices. Market reaction to the news that the FBI started investigation on Democratic candidate Hillary Clinton's emails was negative. The main event of this week will be the Fed meeting on Wednesday, factory orders and labor production data on Thursday, and US labor market data on Friday. And quarterly earnings and news on US presidential candidates will continue coming out. This was all for the past week. Happy trading and see you next week.